Alright, hello guys. Today we are at somebody's house and we're gonna do the legacy garage door openers. Oop, that was by accident. Oop, that was foul. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, I accidentally took a better bite. So these ones do not have keypads. They're from 2003, I believe. Here is the garage door openers. Here is the opener that you put in your car. We had no keypads, like I said. So we're gonna press this button. It'll close that door. And somebody's at the camper. At their camper right now. At their camper, I mean. And then we gotta press this button. Good. So, legacy. So now we're gonna do this one. Well, we're gonna do this one first with the. Well, hang on. Oops, by accident. So here's the button for that one right over there. Oops. Now we're gonna open it back up. So now we're gonna do number 2, which is this one. What? Oh, 1 second. Okay, hang on. Alright. Thank you for watching.